What is up, accurate Forex traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Today I'm teaching you guys how to be a profitable currency trader using this powerful, easy, good looking strategy. Okay, this is one of the strategies that uses long old techniques, right? So we're going to be looking at how to trade in our currencies market with this strategy. It's a simple crossover strategy with some price action involved, because we're going to be looking at some support and resistance while it's trading this strategy. It is a scalping strategy, which means you're going to be in your 5 minute time frame 90% of the time, and you're going to try and get in and out of the trades as quickly as possible. So I'm just trying to bring in all variations to these strategies right here on this channel. So if you are new, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss these strategies and techniques that I keep sharing right here on this channel. I try to mix them up. I remember the previous video where I was talking about some swing trading options, and then I think the previous one before that we were talking about how just to do and be an intraday trader. So I'm trying to mix this up so that I fit all of your personalities. So don't forget to subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to check out our previous videos, because that's how you actually know that I do vary these strategies. Okay, and if you want to claim or get 30 days of free signals in our indices VIP group and in our currencies VIP group, all you have to do is click that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below the most important thing that you got from this video or what you learned in this video. And you can send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number showing that you have subscribed, you have liked this video, and you have commented, and I'll be able to add you to our VIP signal groups. Okay, the two of them, the indices one, that's the one about booming crash and volatilities, and then the currencies one about your USD JPY, your Euro USDs, all for free from just subscribing, liking, and commenting. Right, you'll be able to get my WhatsApp number from our Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It's the first link. So claim your 30 days of free signals. This is how the strategy looks like. Quite simple. You can scalp. You can make really a lot of money if you are patient, and if you are not, you can lose some money. Okay, so what I will do now is remove all these indicators so that we can do the step-by-step process of installing this strategy. So the first indicator that we want to install is a moving average, and it is going to have the following parameters. We're going to have a period of 13, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close, and then the styling, I'm going to choose the black color for this indicator, and I'm going to click done. And as you can see, we now have a black line added on to our charts right there. Okay, the next indicator that we want to add again is going to go to our main chart, and it is again a moving average, but this time we're going to have a period of 5, a shift of 0, a method of simple. So make sure you change this to simple, apply to close, and I'm going to choose the red color for this one, and then click done. And as you can see, the red line has been added to our charts. Moving on, I'm going to add another indicator, but this time we are starting to form our indicator window 1. So I'm going to start off with the stochastic oscillator, and this stochastic oscillator is going to have the following properties or parameters: a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1, a slowing of 1, price field low over high, and then method is still simple. Style, please make sure you change this to the color of your background. So I have a white background, so my main is white and my signal line is also white. What we need from this stochastic are these two levels, the 80 level and the 20 level. Okay, so make sure you have them. This is the sell, this is the buy. So let's just put a description on them so that it's easy for us to track and understand these indicators. So once you're done, you obviously can click done, and you should have something like that. At first, basically, you have your sell zone and your buy zone, and nothing else should be inside. Okay. Last but not least, we want to add our alligator, our final indicator, and we wanted to add it to our indicator window 1. So I'm going to click on indicator window 1, and then we're going to get our alligator, which is down there. And his alligator is going to have the following properties: a jaws period of 13, jaws shift of 8, teeth period of 8, teeth shift of 5, lips period of 5, and lips shift of 3. The method is going to be smoothed and then applied to medium price. Okay, and after that, of course, we're going to style this. You can pick any colors of your choice, but I would prefer you guys follow these colors that I'm using, and then you can later on customize when you are now comfortable with the strategy. Okay, so it should be blue, green, red, and there are no levels to this indicator, so we're just going to click done there and there. And as you can see, our strategy is now fully installed, is now available. Okay, what's left is understanding the conditions for you to take some trades with this strategy. Okay, but before you do that, please don't forget to claim your 30 days of free signals. We're doing this January promotion once and for all, so make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below what you've learned, and you can send me screenshot showing that you've done all 3 required acts to be added to our VIP signals group for currencies and VIP signals group for indices. Come, let's make money together. Okay, so this is how the strategy looks like at the end, and now we're going to talk about how we can play some trades from a 5-minute time frame going forth. So number one, the most important thing that you have in mind is, once you see this red line, this is going to be your signal line. This red line touch your sell region or be in your sell zone. Be ready. If you had a buy trade, close it. If you had a buy trade, close it. Once you see this red line touching this sell zone or the 80 level, if you had a buy trade, that's when you close it. Why? Because what's going to follow is the green line, and that's when we actually have our first entry point. When we see the red line crossing to be below the black line, this indicates a sell trade. This indicates a sell trade, and can you see how deep that sell was from just that? Can you see? So firstly, we had this, the green line then followed, and from the green line we actually got our entry. So this is a sell entry, right? Maybe let's look at another example for a sell before we jump into buy trade. Let me look for a nice selling opportunity. I want the cleanest one that I can get. I'm not saying we didn't have any sell opportunities there, but I was just looking for the cleanest one. So here's the first thing that I want you to take note of. Can you see that once this red line touched our sell region or 80 region, the market had a cap on it. The market never moved up from that point. I think that was the highest. The highest point would be when that red line touches that sell region. That's your highest the market can go. It then started consolidating, which means people could, yes, could enter some small buys, but these are really small, no big movements. So have that in mind. Once you have that red line in your sell zone, stop all your buy trading and start looking for sell opportunity. The sell opportunity, it will be presented the second the green line reaches our 80. And when the green line reaches our 80, we're going to look for a crossover. If you don't find it, we're going to wait for a blue line. That's the final one, to reach our 80. And once the blue line reaches our 80, we then need to go back to our chart and look for this crossing of the red line going below our black line, which we said is a sell condition. I hope you guys understood that part. Same scenario, even if you want to look for buy trades. The moment you see our red line touching our buy zone or our 20 level, stop selling. The market is not going to fall any further from that. It's not going to fall. Then you're going to wait for a green line to look for opportunities to buy. Basically, you're looking for when the red line crosses to be above. If you fail, obviously you look at the blue line, and right about here, I know we will consolidate maybe, but the only way to go now is up. Our red line is set a cap or below, or I'll say a bench. If it's below, it's done so. So you can use this strategy on all these currencies, even Euro USD, even whichever one you think of. Just use the same principles. Until next time.